Watch this video if you spend your money on batana oil and you don't get any results. You don't seem to get any results. So batana oil have been trending for the longest of time. I've lost count. So if you have ever spent your money on batana oil or any other products and you don't seem to get any result, then this video is for you. Before I get to today's video, because today's video is just going to be very simple, it is for those that have tried to grow back their bald spots and nothing seems to be working. You have bought and bought several cans of batana oil and it never worked for you. I am here to share with you a simple remedy that can work for you and help you grow your hair fast. Where you can just apply this product is on your scalp. Just wait for 30 minutes and rinse it off. And no, it is not spray, it is a treatment, just very simple treatment that you will just make in a very small bottle of about 50 ml or 30 ml. But before I get to that, I want to speak to you about your hair particularly. Now you have tried all things, you don't know, you have products. The problem is that most of us have the potent and effective products in our hands, but we don't know how to apply it. We don't know how to use this product. We don't know how to handle our hair. We don't know what to do. We are basically confused on what to do when it comes to hair growth. I am here to help you. That is why I just created an ebook. This ebook, I wrote it for over 7 years. I wrote this ebook for over 7 years and it's finally out. Now, you're complaining of shipping costs to buy products, or you don't know what to do, you don't know where to buy ingredients from to make the DIY recipes we're making on this channel. You don't just know what to do about your hair, you don't know your hair texture, you don't know your hair porosity, you don't know your hair whether your hair is coarse or thin. You don't know, you are just floating. Any video you see, you jump on. You don't even know how to use the herbs that you're purchasing. You don't even know what each herb does, because we don't always have time on the channel to explain a lot of things. So that is why I have created this ebook for you. This is one way you can support me, and it's another way that I can help you as well. I have made this product, I have made this digital product very accessible. I have slashed the price just so each and every one of you watching me can get this book. It's just like a manual. When you purchase a car, you don't know how to ride this car. You need to go to a driving school. You need to take driving lessons for you to know how to drive this car. I have shared recipes, different herbs with you over the years. You need a manual. You need something to look at. You need a manual basically to know how to do one or two things that you need to do for your hair to thrive. You have made products, you have bought herbs, you have tried all manner, but you don't know what to do for your hair to grow. You don't even know where to start. That is why you need to purchase this ebook. It's just $10 and it's on my website. I'm going to drop the link. I'm going to drop the link in the description box, and I'm going to write that on the screen for you guys to know where to purchase this book. My ebook on www.nyerehaircare.com just for $10, and you get to know everything you need to know about natural hair, the type of herbs to use for different hair concerns, the type of food to eat, especially if your own problem is from the inside. So you need this ebook. You definitely need this ebook if you want to grow your hair, if you want to understand your hair better. So without further ado, let's head to today's video. If there is anybody that will speak to you about hair growth, it is me, because my hair has thrived and flourished over the years. So for this recipe, it's just a scalp treatment to boost growth, to help your hair grow on bald spots, to darken your hair. For those of you that are looking for ways to darken your hair, this is the recipe for you. All you just need is just 2 ingredients. Very simple. You don't need to do too much. Just 2 ingredients. If you have coffee at home, just grab 1.5 grams. But if you have access to this sachet coffee, you can purchase them. Just tear one open, pour it in a clean, sterilized bowl, and then if you want to make much, but on this video I actually made much, that is why I used 2 sachets. So if you want to make much, maybe you want to use for 2 persons, you can add 2 sachets. So that's why I'm using 2 sachets in this video. But if it's just only you, you can use just 1 sachet. A sachet is equivalent to 1.5 grams. Now you can either use store-bought aloe vera juice or your fresh juice, natural juice from the garden. That's why I'm showing you the 2 of them. You can use the store-bought one or you can use the fresh one. Aloe vera is extremely very good and it boosts hair growth. And all you just need is just 3 teaspoons of that, whether you're using the natural one or you're using the store-bought one. Go ahead and stir to combine. Mix this vigorously to combine. Just so you know, coffees always comes in granules, particles, so you need to mix this really well just so they can dissolve and just so you can get all the benefits embedded in this coffee. So all you just need to do is to apply it on your scalp, probably after shampooing your hair, deep conditioning. Just apply this on your scalp. You don't need to apply it on your hair, but if you want to apply on your hair, feel free to do that. But this is specifically for the scalp. Apply it wherever you're balding, on your scalp. Trust me, this is me telling you that if you use this consistently for 2 weeks, even if you're not shampooing your hair, you can just every week just apply it on your scalp and rinse out, whether you're in protective style or not. Just rinse it out with normal water. Do it consistently for 2 weeks. If you're shedding, it will definitely stop. You will definitely come back to this video and share your feedback. And if your hair have been thinning out, it is going to thicken up. So try this and thank me later. That's all for today's video. Please, this is not for children, and please, you cannot store this. Just make and use once. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next. Bye.